Extreme care needs to be taken when installing trunnion eyelet shocks into the hand dyno to prevent any damage to the eyelet threads. After using the alignment tool to set up the trunnion mount relative to the lower mount, you will first install the body on the lower pin. Next, rotate the eyelet up and slide the female thread into the fixed pin. Now you can begin to thread the opposite pin, taking notice of any resistance. The pin should thread into the eyelet easily, meaning no threads are being damaged. You may have to provide support on the dyno lever or shock to help this along. In addition to taking care when installing and removing the trunnion shocks from the dyno, it is also recommended not to compress the shock more than half the travel when the air sleeve is installed and the air spring is charged to normal air pressure. Doing so could also damage the threads. We also recommend to purchase an M10 by 1.0 bottom tap to help clean threads should any minor crests get damaged.